our way to Cham, we stopped off at this ceramics merchant. They don't actually make ceramics here, but I think they just buy and sell. But they have an incredible collection. And then they're also selling all sorts of material. These are bags of stones of varying sizes. You can see the samples here. So I'm guessing that these will be used for making pathways, ornate structures. But anyway, here's some of the ceramics. And talk about ornate. And the prices seem to be very good. And this one here that I'm focusing on is about 60 Australian dollars, 30 pounds, 40 US dollars approximately. Such a huge collection. Just having a quick whiz around, really. I did 2 previous videos on our visit to some ceramic works in Ratchaburi. And that was amazing, looking at how they work with such big items. A lot of it is coil work. The peacock's indigenous to Thailand. You see a lot of them in the national forests, in the jungle. Chicken is quite symbolic religiously in Thailand. When you go to the temples, you'll see a lot of this chicken stuff. Prices are absolutely amazing. We'll definitely come back here. I think they do international shipping as well. I'll confirm that. I'll post details of where this is. It's not far outside Hua Hin, on the way to Cham, on the left hand side of the main road. That table there is also made out of concrete, as is this one. And that one just over there. So the ceramics place is opposite this Border Patrol Police Bureau, Aerial Reinforcement Division. Here it is. So if I just turn around, it's all in Thai, but it's well worth a visit.